What's good, everybody? It's your boy MekelKasanova coming at you with yet another video. So we got the new iPad Pro over here. Yeah, I got fingerprints all over it, right? Picked up a couple of accessories from the Apple Store. So I got my Apple Pencil, which I believe I already pulled that out. So that's, my wife can do her unboxing. So I've got the iPad Pro silicone case. I've also got the smart keyboard, and I know a lot of people are like, why would you get the keyboard when Logitech has a better one? Because that thing is too heavy, and I like how sleek this is. I've actually gotten accustomed from using it in the store, using the keyboard. Now, I do wish it did have backlighting, but I can't really complain when the whole thing all together is super sleek and easy to put together. So, let's go ahead and we're going to start with this first. Silicone case, as you can see. That is a pretty penny. $79. But here's the thing. If you got the money, then why not? So long as everything else you got is paid for, it don't really matter. Now I do have a glass screen on my iPad, so you see all these fingerprints. I don't have my microfiber cloth on me, but this is what it looks like on it. Slim, it's lightweight. Feels really good. Although I'm sure you can find something similar to this on Amazon. If you just want to shop locally, support your Apple Store, nothing wrong with that. Let's go ahead, we're going to get this open. And this is kind of like a smart cover. And the keyboard all in there. So, other things in the box, I mean, you got your instructions, so we don't need to go over that. Okay, so this is how it works. So the smart connectors here, it's all magnetic, right? You see? Just snapped on, right? In case y'all didn't see it, let's do it again and get it closer. Snaps on. If you're gonna kickstand it and you want to use it with the keyboard, pull the keyboard out and line it up like that. So we'll go ahead and demo. Let's pull up some in productivity. Let's do pages, right? And I'm gonna show you guys how simple it is to type with this. So, I got it set up, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and type something real simple. Let's see. In case y'all want to know what I typed, that's what I typed. It is rather slim. I like it. And then when I want to just use it as a smart cover, I can. Not too heavy. Sleek, easily detachable. If I want just the tablet itself. And there you go. Just like that. So, what are my thoughts on the new iPad 12.9 inch? I think it's fantastic. I think it's definitely worth it. If you're on the go, and I have the cellular model, if you're on the go, you need to do documents, write blogs, reports, spreadsheets. You can't go wrong with this. This little setup here is everything you will need. Now, true enough, if you need to use USBs or anything like that, you can get adapters. If you want to connect the microphone to it, you can also do that as well. But all in all, for what you can use it for the productivity, this is great. I love this. This is going to be my main workstation when I'm out and on the go. And you can't go wrong with it. So, that's enough for this video. I definitely feel that the Apple Smart Keyboard is a cop. Even if you see that sticker price shock of $169, this is still something I think is definitely worth it if you're on the go. And if you got the skrill to pay for it, why not? Smart case, sure enough, you can find something like this on Amazon. But again, you got the skrill, why not? And the Apple Pencil, definitely worth it. If you want to mark up things, why not? Again, it's a solid buy. So, how about you guys tell me what you think? Why don't you go ahead and post your comments below. If you like this video and you want to see more, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. If you want to help out the channel, we also have a Patreon going. So if you want to be a Patreon and you want to help us have specific things on the channel, definitely check that out. And check out everybody in Polytext. The links will be in the description below. Alright, that wraps up this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces wild.
Everybody drinks on me. Everybody in this bitch drink for free. Give me a whiskey double. A little bit of Jack is always trouble. And I'm feeling good, like a man with only to prove and read this wood. Next up, straight to the DJ. Tell him play whatever song she say. Her body is a misdemeanor. Dangerous, but I